Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. Hello and welcome back to my channel, and thanks for stopping by. If you've never been here before, please stay, like and subscribe, and hopefully you will enjoy and be inspired to create and to shop and to have fun. I am here with a haul from the Dollar Tree and a little bit from Michael's. Not a big haul, just a small haul. Was off today and just decided to make it out the house. So I did run across the street to Michael's. I did pick up these pens, put some beads on them, some ribbon clamps, and those little plastic beads. Then I went over to the Dollar Tree, just got a couple of items, nothing big, just a few little things. I just got some jars. They didn't have all the same wide mouth, so I got some with a narrow mouth and some with a wide mouth, but I needed to put some different beads and stuff in them, so I got those. Another veggie brush. I went to the self-checkout line for the first time at the Dollar Tree that I actually used. It's been there for a while. I just never actually checked out. And of course today I was looking for a lighter because I wanted to burn some ribbon because yeah, I wanted to burn some ribbon because you know how they fray at the end. I couldn't find my my stuff for the end. So anyway, I went looking for a lighter. I said, well, I just use one of these because they don't have the long lighter, which I really needed a long one for my candle. Got this at the self-checkout line. Of course, I held up the self-checkout line, and there was only one other line open, and they was buying like 33 balloons. So everybody was in the self-checkout line, and of course, because I was trying to buy this, they needed the person to come over there to hit the thing that says I'm over 18 to purchase these. And so I went over there and said, hey, to another lady who wasn't working on the line, and said, hey, can you come over here and click the machine? Oh, well, the cashier has to do that. I said, okay. I said, well, I'm holding the line up, and she's holding the line up because she's making balloons and there's no one there, and it's a lot of people. It's early in the morning, and I said, I don't want to hold the line up. She was not happy to come over there and just it's like, okay, well, I'm just trying to, you know, help you guys out. Anyway, they also had a lot of the Offray ribbon, I mean, which is, you know, a brand that most people know, and they had, of course, in those kind of colors and stuff, and they had them in the skinny strands. I think it was just these three colors right here, as well as the ones with the little ruffle on the end. So I just got these three because I mean, I know I have this black one. I don't think I have any more orange or purple of these, so I got all of those. And they also had all the fall stuff, you know, they've been handing them out, but I just hadn't got any of them. I did just get these two sticker sets. And then I did get this collapsible storage. I wanted to keep some stuff in there, and then got a couple stickers. I just thought maybe I could use these in my journal. Of course, you can use this as for mirrors, laptops, devices, and more. But I got them to probably use in an art journal. It says, "What is coming is better than what is gone." So they like clear stamps. Radiate joy, and so like I would probably do a mixed media page and then just stick this on top. Kindness. Choose, should say choose kindness, but it says kindness, choose. Be kind to one another. Let go and let God. Let my life be proof of your love. Let your light shine. And now these three remain, faith, hope, and love, but the greatest of these is love. 1 Corinthians 13:13. So that is what I got today. For just, you know, you're bored and just decided to get out of the house. Wasn't much going on new at the Dollar Tree. Other than, I would say, this Offray and these stickers right here. These two are new. Everything else, and of course by this video, might be up next week, but that's the only thing new at my store. And anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.